Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my channel to get latest video updates. In this video, I'm going to talk about how we can enable SSL on our ASP.NET Web API application. So let's start. Here we are in this Visual Studio, and in here I have this Web API application. This is Visual Studio 2017, and it is ASP.NET Web API application in the standard .NET framework. Now, in order to enable HTTPS with our ASP.NET Web API, we need to write action filter, which will basically help to detect all the calls that are coming to the API controller methods, and will figure out whether HTTPS is required for that action method or not. So let's have a look at this filter class here. So if you see this class, this is derived from authorization filter attributes class here, and we will be overriding this method of this class on authorization. Okay, when we are overriding this class, so what we are doing, if it is HTTPS, then authorize it, otherwise send a message that HTTPS is required for that particular action call. Now that is one thing. The other thing that we need to do is we need to put this attributes on the controller method, and this will make sure that this method will only run on HTTPS. The other method will keep on running on HTTP. So this is a very nice way in Web API, wherein we can have few resources available on HTTP and few resources will be available on HTTPS. So you can see here this method is available on HTTP, and this one is available only on HTTPS. Now these are the two things which we need to do in our Web API application. Now apart from this, we need to do a couple of other things also. So first of all, we need to have a certificate. So we need to generate a certificate file which is used by SSL. So for that, you can run this command here. Makecert.exe is actually a utility which creates a temporary certificate for us, which we can use in our development environment. And that certificate need to be installed on our local machine or on the web server, and then SSL will keep on working. So this is all. So once you are done, then it will create a certificate file, and then we need to install that certificate on our machine. So to do that, you need to open this Microsoft Management Console here, and when the Management Console is open, so what you need to do, this add remove snap-in, and in that you need to, once you are in this Management Console, what you need to do, you need to select file and say add remove snap-in, and in here then you need to select this certificates. When you will try to add this, you will get this snap-in, and then you need to select the local computer account, and once this is added, then you need to uh, uh, navigate to this node here, and inside this you need to navigate to trusted root certification authority, and in that what you need to do, you need to click on action and then all tasks and then import. Now you need to import that certificate which was created by this utility. So it normally creates this certificate for you in system.32, but if your system is 64-bit, then there is another folder, and I'll show you that folder, and that is where the certificate will be created. So when you try to import, you need to browse to your Windows and then system32 here, but system32 is not the place where it copies. So it copies certificate in here if your system is 64-bit. Okay, you can see here the 10 certificate is created here, and then you can import this. Once the certificate is imported, then we are good. There is nothing required. The certificate is installed on this machine and SSL can be enabled. Now there is one more thing which you need to do. You need to go to the Solution Explorer, click on the project Web API application project, and then go to View and then select the Properties window. Okay, in here, if you can see here, you need to enable SSL. So by default it is false. When you enable it, it will become true, and that's it. Then your web application is ASP.NET Web API application ready for HTTPS. Now, when you run this application, okay, so it's running, and now let's have a look at IIS Express. I'm using IIS Express here. So now you can see that IIS Express is actually having two URI of the same application. One is on HTTPS with a different port, and then another one is with HTTP on a different port. So these are the two URIs. So let's try to test them. So this is on HTTPS. Now I'll call my method here on this URI. My method is this one here. I'll call this method here. Okay, now you can see here the sheet is come and I'm getting the output, and this I'm getting on HTTPS, if you can see this. Okay, and now since as I said that when we apply HTTPS filter, our other methods where we are not using HTTP as attribute, they will keep on running on HTTP only. So this is my another method which is running on HTTP. Let's run this one also. You can see for this method I'm getting this call and it's working. So I have two methods in my controller. One is working on HTTPS and another one working on HTTP. So this is how you can enable HTTPS in ASP.NET Web API application. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.